How you doing? I'm Brad. Nice to meet you.
I reckon I can get it started. But,
Yep.
But it's a bit of a flitting around.
Okay.
If I just turn it, that happens.
Okay.
Eventually I can get it going.
Alright.
But
No
yeah,
dramas.
But it all turns well, and there's no,
Yep.
it's not seized or anything.
Okay.
It's just the contacts. I've got it work, I think.
Yeah.
But it's definitely no good.
Yep. Easy. I'll have a look at that for you.
Yep.
We will pull her apart and go
Happy
from there.
there, would
Oh shit! It's not the switch. Hey Frank, I'm all done. All sorted.
just a whole new switch or something?
Yeah, a whole new switch. They just get worn.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Thanks, man.
No dramas. Have a good one.